This week's puzzle comes to us from this year's Mensa Puzzle Calendar, put out by the Page-A-Day Calendar Company at www.pageaday.com. And this puzzle is from Wednesday, January 2nd. And we're looking at 4 squares that each have 5 numbers in them, except for the last square, which the 5th number is a question mark. And we're supposed to use the logic in the first 3 squares to find a number that could replace the question mark. Well, the crack team of problem solvers at the Problem of the Week immediately noticed that the number in the lower left-hand corner times 3 equals the center number in the first 3 squares. And therefore, our answer would be 30. But in order to justify that answer, we felt we needed to justify having 3 other numbers in the puzzle. So we examined those numbers and noticed the sum of the top left number and the top right number is always the bottom right number. And then if you take the bottom right number and double it, you get the bottom left number. And that seemed to hold true in all 4 squares. Therefore, if we take our rule that we had already devised to take that bottom left number and multiply by 3, we get the center number, which is 30. And then we double-checked with our calendar, and in fact, 30 is the answer given by the Page-A-Day people. Add the top 2 numbers, place the result in the lower right corner, double that number and place the result in the lower left corner, and then multiply that number by 3. And while we did accept a couple of other answers that came with some pretty good rationale, the answer for this week's puzzle is 30.